Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show y'all an interesting fusion Tex Mex recipe, jalapeno corn cheese samosas. These are so addicting that everyone will ask for more. Let's see how to make these cheesy fried snack. Come on. You will need all-purpose flour and I have sifted this. Now oil will make the coating crispy while frying. Combine until you see a granular texture. Perfect. Use very little water for kneading to make a thick dough. Keep kneading for 2 to 3 minutes. This looks good. Keep aside until we make the filling. I have deseeded and finely chopped the jalapeno. Finely chopped red bell pepper and we will saute this to build the flavors. Mix every time you add any ingredients to ensure maximum flavor. Adjust the crushed red pepper and salt as per your taste. Here I have boiled the potato and cut into small cubes. I have the detailed recipe with measurements in the description box below. Allow the mixture to cool a bit. I'm adding shredded blend of cheese, but you can use any of your choice. Mix well and our filling is ready. I'm making a slurry for binding. This is perfect. Now let's assemble the samosas. Divide the dough into equal portion and set aside. We will roll out each portion into approximately 5-inch diameter and fill it with the mixture we made earlier. Apply the paste we made earlier to stick the edges. Now this is the best part as you can fold it any way you like. I'm making it into triangles. Looks so good, right? We will make the rest similarly. Now oil is on medium hot and we will drop a few at a time so we don't overcrowd the pot. If you like my recipes, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button for such amazing recipes I show every week. Keep moving them from time to time for even frying. We are looking for a rich golden color. Wow, these are ready and I can't wait to have them. Hope you like this recipe. Thanks for watching.